Let's learn about parts of a circle. Point A is the center of the circle. Segment AC is one segment that displays the radius of a circle. Other radii are segment BA and segment AD. Radius is the distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. Segment BD is a diameter, and the diameter is the distance across the circle through the center. A chord is a line segment with endpoints on the circle. So FE could be a chord, so could BD. A central angle is an angle whose vertex is the center of the circle. An example of a central angle could be CAD. Another example of a central angle could be BAC. In number 6, we drew circle K, and we know it's circle K because K is in the center, and the radius is TK. Circle V has a central angle of RVC. It also has a chord of XY. If a circle has a radius of 3 centimeters, what's the length of the diameter? 2 radius equals the diameter. So the diameter is 6 centimeters. A whole circle has 360 degrees in that circle. In number 17, we know that angle PQR is 90 degrees because there are 90 degrees in a right angle. Finding X for number 18 should be fairly easy. They are vertical angles, so the angle directly opposite is also 100. In number 19, we can solve for X by adding 150 plus 85 plus 95. Then subtract that from 360 because there are 360 degrees in a circle, and the answer is 30 degrees.